to an all-new episode of Conflicts. In this episode here, we'll be unboxing the all-new Iron Man MK46 by Beast Kingdom. This here is a highly detailed model with working light as well as customizable parts. Also, we'll be looking at the ultra rare and super cool looking Iron Patriot. This here is a discontinued model, but it is a stationary statue that literally has working lights as well as a base station. So I'm really excited to go ahead and show you all the different features. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind, unbox these things with our special guest, Iron Man. Alright, so we're all set and ready to go. So Iron Man, you excited to go ahead and unbox these things?
You've got this. Why don't you take the lead?
Oh, okay. Well, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first let's go ahead and start off with Iron Man himself. So this here's our packaging, and this is the Iron Man MK46. You can actually see Iron Man sitting right over there. You even have like a few different things going on. You have multiple faces for this one here. So you have him with the mask and without the mask. On the back here, kind of shows you some images. So he looks like he's like battling Captain America. Kind of shows that he does have operating lights. So his eyes do light up as well as his chest piece. So let's go ahead and open this up. Nice. So right off the back, I'm gonna say the finish on this thing is insane. I mean, look at the, oh my God, look at the amount of detail on this thing.
That's all you got for weapons?
All right, so continuing on, you can see that there's a lot of different pieces involved here. So first of all, let's kind of take a look at all the parts here. Oh, wow. So this here's everything that it comes with. So we get a stand, so we can go ahead and pose him any way we like. We have an extra head. So this is here Mr. Tony Stark himself without his helmet. And you actually see he's got like a little bruise, also assembling from the movie itself. And then this here's our Iron Man. We have a variety of different arm pieces, so you can change his hands. And then you have some other side pieces. You have an extra chest piece. These here are different fire or like laser blasts, I guess you could say. So this will literally just, it's magnetic, so magnetically attached.
Not too shabby.
To the hand, as well as the foot. That is sweet. And then we also have another piece here. This is for his chest piece. So you can just go ahead and place that in there as well. And then we have another one as well. So you can see that there's a variety of different pieces in here. And then with the maneuvering of it, so you do have a lot of joint functions. So you can make a lot of different posures with this. So you see that, you know, his hip will move, his knee will move, his leg will move, and then his chest as well as his waist. The arm can actually has a 2 pivot joint, so it'll actually go ahead and give you more of a stretch, which is great. Even the head will rotate as well. Now, the way you go ahead and turn on the LEDs on this thing is kind of interesting. So there's an on-off switch on the back of him right over here. So just go ahead and switch that on, just like this. There you go. And you'll see that his chest piece is now lighting up. So that is actually, it's pretty bright LED, so it makes a great showpiece. Now, in order to light up his eyes, you have to go ahead and remove his mask, just like that. And there's a little on-off switch right over here. There we go. And then I'll go and swap in just like that. So our little Iron Man is fully glowing with all working lights and whatnot. Obviously, you know, it's kind of hard to go ahead and turn them on because you have to turn on both switches. But just keep that in mind when you do purchase this thing. So from there, you can just go ahead and maneuver it, change the posures, and try out different features. So in order, if you want to change the head, you just go ahead and pop off the head just like this. This head will go ahead and sit in here just like that. And there you are. So we just swapped out the head of Mr. Tony Stark. This is how he looks right there. So let's go ahead and move on here. We're going to unbox the Iron Patriot next. All right, so it's almost got this like metallic blue kind of finish to it. You do see Iron Patriot on the front here. This does open up, and you can actually see our little statue here in the casing itself. Now I say statue just because it really is a statue, just because you can't actually move him. It's one of the stationary pieces. Just keep that in mind when you do purchase this thing. Now on the back here, you'll see kind of shows a little bit more in terms of detail. So he does have multiple LEDs on him. So you have an LED in his chest, the eyes, even the feet. So that's actually pretty cool. And then let's go ahead and open this thing up. Sweet. All right, so 3 things or 4 things I would say. First, we have ourselves a base station. Almost looks like the arc reactor. And then you just go and turn it on. There's a switch right there. Look at that. Awesome. So you can do that. And then we have ourselves our Iron Patriot. Almost looks like he's flying. Again, you know, stationary. You can't move him at all. And then this here is part of his stand. So this will actually go down there. And then this will go into our base station. All right, so a little sign that says Iron Patriot, just display it just like that in the front there. On the top here, you'll see that his head part does come off just like that. And then there's a little on-off switch here. So he's going to switch that over. And now all the LEDs are working. So you can actually see like the foot is lighting up, his chest is lighting up, his eyes are lighting up. So definitely gives it a nice, almost like realistic kind of feel to it. And yeah, that kind of does it in terms of what these two characters are about. Once again, you're definitely very highly detailed characters. Iron Man is available. However, Iron Patriot is discontinued, so do keep that in mind when you're looking at this video. Now, thank you once again, Iron Man, for coming out today. We greatly appreciate it.
Reactor output at 73%. Well, there's always room for improvement.
And if you guys have any questions about either of these characters, feel free to comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.